Hey, welcome to Code Show. Let's have a look to the 10 Unix commands you need to know. Okay, so let's start with the first command, call it ls list. So if I do ls here, I have like I have one folder and two files, index.1html, instruction.txt. What I like to do sometimes is to show them as a list and show also the hidden files. To do that, you need to type ls minus al. A stands for all and L stands for list. In this case, you can see we have three hidden files, .dsstore, and then we have the three not regular files, the folder files, index.1html and instructions.txt. So the second command I want to show you is cd. cd is for change directory. Let's say I want to go to the files directory. I can do cd files, and then I can move that. As you can see, I'm now in the screencast files. What about if I want to go back to the screencast folder? I can do cd ... and this will navigate upwards. The third command I want to show you is move. So let's type ls. Let's say I want to move index.1html in the files directory. I can do move index.1html. I can autocomplete with tab. Then I can type the folder. So this is my destination, files, hit enter. Now I can move to files. I can less. As you can see, index.1html now is in the files directory. What about I want to copy index.1html back to the screencast folder? I can do move cp copy index.1html and then the up folder. By doing that, if I go up and I less, as you can see, index.1html now is copy of the screencast and it's still in the files directory. In fact, we do cd files and then we do ls. Index.1html is still in files, so we copy. Another interesting command is man. Stands for manual, and this just allows you to see the manual of a particular command. Let's say we do man mv. As you can see, I have the name, what it does, have a description, have the flags and how to use it. So it's mv source target or source directory. And for get out from the, you can of course use the arrow for scroll up and down the manual, and then if you press Q, you can quit. The next command is for create folders. Let's say I want to create a folder called a new files. I can do mkdir make directory, and then I say my new files tree. So I want to create a new directory called my new files tree. If I type ls, I have now a directory called my new files tree. So let's now we see how to create a directory. Let's say I want to remove a file or a directory. So let's start by removing the file index.1html. So remove index1html. If I do ls, as you can see, index.1html is gone now. So what about if I want to remove a folder? I can do this, my new files tree, but this won't work because my new files tree is a directory. So how do you delete a directory? You need to use some flags, the recursive flag. So remove -r. -r is the flag recursive, and then the name of your folder. So my new files tree. I type that and I do ls again. As you can see, my new files tree is gone. Perfect. So now we know how to create a folder. We would like to create a file. For create a file, you use touch. So you can do touch, and then let's say my important file.txt, and there you go. If I type ls, I have a new file called my important file.txt. What about I want to show the content of a file? I know index.html is an HTML page. I want to show the content right in the terminal without opening any editor. I can use cut. Cut allows you to quickly show a file. So if I do cat index.html, as you can see, I can I can view the content of that particular file. The last command is it's a very common to use, is to clear the terminal. Sometimes you want to start fresh, you don't want to see all the things you type, you want to start to type from the top of the page, so you type clear and this will clear your terminal. Hope you learn new tricks and new Unix commands. I'll see you next time.